Welcome to our channel, only for seniors. This is the place where we care deeply about your health, your independence, and your happiness after 60. Today's topic might sound simple at first, but trust me, it could be one of the most eye-opening lessons you'll hear all year. We're talking about drinking water in the morning. Something so basic, so everyday, so automatic, you probably don't even think about it. But here's the shocking truth. For seniors, drinking water the wrong way first thing in the morning can actually be dangerous. Yes, you heard that right. The very thing that's supposed to keep you healthy and hydrated can put your body under stress if you're not careful. And most seniors don't even realize they're making these mistakes. That's why today, I'm going to walk you through 5 dangerous mistakes seniors often make when drinking water in the morning, and, most importantly, how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your mornings with water the safe, smart, and healthy way, so you can protect your heart, kidneys, digestion, and overall well-being. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip, something you can add to your morning water that supercharges your hydration and keeps your body energized throughout the day. So grab a glass of water, and let's dive right in. Part 1. Why morning water matters so much after 60. Let's start by asking a simple question. Why does water in the morning even matter? Isn't water just water, no matter when you drink it? Well, not exactly. When you wake up in the morning, your body is in a very special state. You've gone 6, 7, maybe even 8 hours without any fluids. That means your body is naturally dehydrated. Your mouth may feel dry, your urine is darker, and even your brain cells are craving hydration. For younger people, the body bounces back quickly. But after 60, the story changes. Older adults naturally have lower water reserves in their body, weaker thirst signals, and in many cases, medications that make dehydration even more dangerous. That's why water in the morning is so powerful. It can either set your day on the right track, or, if done wrong, stress your organs and put your health at risk. This is why we're going to look at the 5 biggest mistakes seniors make when drinking water in the morning, and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, drinking ice-cold water right away. Picture this, you wake up, walk to the kitchen, and pour yourself a tall glass of ice-cold water. It feels refreshing, it wakes you up, and it seems harmless, right? But for seniors, ice-cold water in the morning is a shock to the system. Here's why. When you're over 60, your digestion naturally slows down. Drinking freezing water right after waking can constrict your blood vessels, slow digestion even further, and put unnecessary stress on your heart. Some studies even suggest that ice-cold water in the morning can trigger headaches, joint stiffness, or sudden changes in blood pressure. Instead, the safer and healthier option is room temperature water or slightly warm water. This is gentler on your stomach, helps your body wake up gradually, and supports smoother digestion. In fact, in many Asian cultures, warm water is preferred in the morning because it relaxes the body and prepares it for the day. So the first rule is simple, skip the ice cubes. Treat your body kindly. Go for room temperature or warm water. Mistake number 2, drinking too much water too fast. Now let's talk about quantity. Many seniors, after hearing advice to drink more water, make the mistake of gulping down an entire 16 or 20-ounce glass of water in one go first thing in the morning. This may feel like you're flooding your body with hydration, but here's the problem. Your kidneys can only filter so much water at a time. Drinking a huge amount too quickly can actually overload your system. For seniors, this can lead to something called hyponatremia, or water intoxication. It sounds rare, but it happens when your sodium levels drop dangerously low because your body can't process the flood of water fast enough. Symptoms include nausea, confusion, and in severe cases, even seizures. The smarter way? Sip slowly. Start with a small glass, about 6 to 8 ounces, in the morning. Then give your body time to absorb it before drinking more. Think of it as watering a plant. If you dump a bucket of water on a plant all at once, it spills out and drowns the roots. But if you water it gently, the soil absorbs it and nourishes the plant. Your body is the same way. Mistake number 3, skipping water because coffee comes first. This one might sting a little, because let's be honest, for many seniors, that first cup of coffee is non-negotiable. It's the ritual, the comfort, the aroma that gets you moving. But here's the catch: if you reach for coffee before water, you're starting your day dehydrated. Coffee is a mild diuretic, which means it makes you lose more fluid. So if your first drink of the day is coffee, you're not only failing to hydrate, you're actually dehydrating yourself further. And after 60, dehydration in the morning can mean dizziness, fatigue, and even a higher risk of falls. The fix is simple but powerful: drink water before coffee. It doesn't mean you can't enjoy your morning cup of joe, it just means you should drink a glass of water first. Think of it as priming your engine before hitting the gas pedal. Mistake number 4, adding too many extras to morning water. Many seniors like to jazz up their morning water with lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, or even baking soda. And while some of these can have benefits in moderation, going overboard can actually backfire. For example, too much lemon water can erode tooth enamel and upset your stomach. Too much vinegar can lower potassium levels and irritate your esophagus. Too much baking soda can throw off your body's acid balance. The truth is, your body craves pure, clean water in the morning. If you want to add lemon, keep it to just a slice or two, not half the fruit. If you want to try apple cider vinegar, stick to a teaspoon in a large glass, not a tablespoon straight up. But the safest option? Start your day with plain water. Give your body what it needs most: hydration without distractions. Mistake number 5, ignoring your medical conditions when drinking water. This mistake is often overlooked, but it's perhaps the most important. Seniors over 60 often live with conditions like heart disease, kidney problems, or high blood pressure. For these individuals, drinking water isn't just about hydration, it's about balance. For example, seniors with heart failure are sometimes told to limit fluid intake. Drinking too much in the morning could strain the heart. Seniors with kidney disease may also need to carefully monitor how much water they drink. Seniors on diuretics or blood pressure medications can become dehydrated more easily. That's why it's so important to follow your doctor's guidance on daily water intake. What works for one person may not work for another. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to hydration after 60. So the 5th mistake is ignoring your medical needs. The fix? Know your limits. Adjust your morning water routine to fit your health condition. Bonus tip: supercharge your morning water. Now, as promised, here's a bonus tip. If you want to take your morning water to the next level, add a pinch of mineral-rich sea salt or a slice of cucumber to your glass. Why? Because as we age, our electrolyte balance becomes more delicate. Adding natural minerals helps your body hold on to water more effectively, instead of just flushing it out. It keeps you hydrated longer, supports healthy blood pressure, and even boosts your energy. Just remember, less is more. We're talking about a pinch of salt, not a spoonful. A couple slices of cucumber, not a whole salad. Emotional wrap-up. So there you have it, the 5 dangerous mistakes seniors make when drinking water in the morning. Drinking ice-cold water. Drinking too much too fast. Skipping water and going straight to coffee. Adding too many extras. Ignoring your medical conditions. And, of course, our bonus tip: add a pinch of minerals to supercharge your hydration. Remember, water is life. But water used the wrong way can cause problems. And after 60, every detail matters. So tomorrow morning, when you wake up, don't just pour yourself any old glass of water. Pour it with wisdom. Sip it with care. And let it be the gentle fuel that carries you into a healthier day. Because the little things, like how you drink your water, make the biggest difference in keeping you strong, safe, and independent. Thank you so much for joining us here on Only for Seniors. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who could use these tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your life. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and as always, take care of yourself.